Hello, we are Joni and Sarah from Vantastic and we have lived in that van for 9 years.
We sold everything and bought that beautiful Adria Twin camper van. We do prefer these rural isolated places because we can stay put here for longer time and do not disturb anybody.
Yes.
Last episode we left the Argolis and now we are in Laconia. We are in Peloponnesus, Greece, and Peloponnes has these long fingers. The first one is thumb, we were there, and now we drive it to the windy finger, and it seems very windy.
And it's really strange to see this place without wind.
Yeah, and you can see from the plantation there's plenty of shrubbery and weird shaped trees, so this is very windy spot.
We had friends that actually are traveling with car, not van, and they have built some kitchen and bed inside of the van and traveling little off-road roads, or more off-road that we go. Usually we end up in the same places and they go a little bit further than us. They are using only electricity to make food, so they have an induction stovetop and also air fryer, small one, 600 watt, and you can make a lot of things on that. Pizzas and whatever you want, you would make in a normal oven. But now we have our grill and we have now our charcoals from, I think, start of the summer because we couldn't use them. So bought some really good sausages from Lidl and gonna make that. I don't know what Sarah gonna make. Maybe sweet paprika and that kind of thing. Yes, let's make food. Germany usually has the best sausages, but I think the Greece comes second in Europe. Yeah, and Spanish sausages, and Italian sausages. Yeah.
How about Finnish?
No. Finnish sausages are mostly not meat, just like flour or something. So they are not really a sausages. But there are some good sausages also in Finland. They are different than anyone else. They are more like grinded really finely. So they don't have this texture that you have in sausages in any other part of Europe.
The weather affects so much your mood when you live this lifestyle. And it's great that in the middle of the winter we can be in our light clothes and just grill food here next to our home and see the pretty views. Yeah. These are the moments why we live in a van. We sound like a broken record, but that's so true.
Those are just decorations, so they look good on a video, nothing else.
No, they are my food.
It's like Finnish summer. I would say this is a little bit nippy wind, but now when there's no wind, it's just a cool breeze. But otherwise, yeah, Finnish middle summer. But when the sun goes down, it's pretty cold. I think +5 was last night, so on the night time or when the sun goes down, if you are here grilling still, you don't have t-shirts on. You have all your clothing from the van on. It's cold. And this is moist cold, so it's much worse than the Finnish cold.
As Joni said, we are struggling here. But one positive thing, 0 mosquitoes. Mosquitoes do not like this cold. We always happen to put our table and benches next to a toilet when we eat. I don't know. We are just quirk like that, I guess. Let's eat and enjoy.
Good sausage and good mustard from Finland.
Yeah, our friends gave us a good mustard.
Turun sinappi. Middle of the night, the coldest nights of them all, and we are out of LPG. Stupid of us. We knew that it will be a low, but it's not empty. But it's really empty. So it's 2 AM and I'm making firewood outside to warm up our van. I think we have like 4 or 5 hours of heating left, so we're just gonna heat the van and go tomorrow get LPG. How stupid of us. Coldest nights in Greece this winter and we ran out of LPG. And we can fill them like whenever we want. We don't need to wait until they are empty. But when you are relaxed, then you are too relaxed. This is fast heat. We can get the heat like right away. The night of horrors is finally over and we survived it. Yay! Yes, we can see sun. It's warm sun, really warm sun. Yeah, we actually sawed some firewood in the middle of the night and just kept the fire going on our wood stove. I woke up I think 3 or 4 times during the night, get some more logs to it, and it was quite nice warmers in our van. So we have always backup plan when we fuck up our life ourselves. So first thing that we have to do, because our stove is also using LPG, is to go buy some LPG from the town there. There is a refilling station, so we can get more LPG and live normally. Now we just have to ditch the morning coffee, and for Finnish people, ditching the morning coffee is the most horrible thing. So yeah, driving straight to the LPG station to refill and get some coffee and then do some things, because we don't start up without coffee.